Meteorologist Travis Klineski here as we kick off our Friday morning. We have a winter weather advisory that is out for portions of the area south and southeast of the Tri-Cities. For all these locations, it will kick in at 6 o'clock tonight. And for almost all of you, it will continue until noon on Saturday. The exception would be our northeast Kansas counties, which really there's only one county in our local 4 viewing area included in this, and that's Republic County. It'll continue until 6 o'clock tomorrow evening. These are the areas most likely to see, say, 2, 3, 4, maybe as much as 5 inches of snow out of this upcoming system. As you get north and west of there, the trend is for quickly dropping totals of snowfall here. I'm going to show you some of those potential totals here in just a bit. But let's look at how things play out the next couple of days. Now, the winds are very light to start things off this morning. Clouds have moved in. Eventually, we're going to start to see some moisture by noon and into the afternoon, increasing chances of moisture. Now, initially, we could be looking at rain or maybe a little bit of a rain and snow mix. But as things start to get a little colder towards the end of the afternoon and into this evening, we'll change over to all snowfall. The winds gradually picking up, but not too bad later today. They'll get stronger and stronger through the overnight hours. Our best chance of snow here in the Tri-Cities will be this evening. That's when we could pick up our accumulating snowfall here. You can see the better band of snowfall just south and southeast. That's where that higher accumulation of snowfall is expected. Meanwhile, to the north and northwest, you folks won't see a whole lot out of this system, especially in the northern half of Nebraska. As we get into the late night hours, you can see that snowfall continuing, although this model wants to push it to the southeast, so our chances in the Tri-Cities get lower. I'm not going to completely rule something out through early tomorrow morning, though, but the wind's getting stronger after midnight tonight out of the north at 15 to 20 miles per hour, and those winds will stay strong through the first half of the day tomorrow. Meanwhile, maybe still a little snow falling tomorrow morning, but then quickly starting to get out of here tomorrow afternoon. Still staying under mostly cloudy skies, though, for your day on Saturday, and it will be on the chilly side. Those winds will start to die back heading through the afternoon hours. So snowfall potential, how much could we potentially be seeing? Now, as of right now, I'm thinking around the Tri-Cities. Grand Island, Kearney, likely under an inch of snowfall. A couple of tenths, maybe up to a half inch of snow or so. But Hastings could see a little more, maybe up to an inch, inch and a half of snowfall. Same around the Holdridge area. But it's those areas just to the south and southeast of there where we have that winter weather advisory in place. We could be looking at more in the way of 2 to 4, maybe as much as 5 inches of snowfall, and a little bit of light blowing snow just due to those strengthening winds later tonight and into the first half of the day tomorrow. But again, also to the north, that sharp drop off where you're really seeing little, if any, snowfall out of the system. Well, temperatures today not going to warm up a whole lot. We're looking at mainly cloudy skies up north, but probably not much for precipitation, mid to upper 30s for highs. If we see any 40s today, you're going to have to go way out west. Ogallala, North Platte, maybe around 40 for a high, otherwise mid and upper 30s elsewhere. Again, a chance of afternoon rain and snow. Same thing to the south, but a chance of afternoon rain or snow. Mostly looking at mid 30s for highs. And to the east, we're looking at temperatures in the mid to upper 30s with a chance of afternoon rain and snowfall. Again, this is the system that we're going to be looking at over the next 7 days, because beyond this, there's not much through the 7-day forecast, at least here. Again, the bulk of it will happen overnight tonight, but some of that light snow may linger through early tomorrow morning. Breezy conditions, especially the first half of your Saturday. The strongest winds will be midnight to noon, I think, and then dying down a little bit later in the day Saturday. Still partly to mostly cloudy on Sunday, but a little bit warmer, still slightly below average, low to mid 30s for highs. Then we're back into the 40s for Monday and Tuesday. Now, the one thing we'll have to watch for those areas that get snow on the ground, the snowpack off to the south and southeast, that deeper snowpack, you may stay in the 30s for highs. I would not be surprised if it holds down temperatures just a little bit. Speaking of 30s, we return to that on Wednesday. Try to warm it up a little bit on Thursday. Continue dry conditions, but we'll get a few more clouds around partly cloudy skies. Beyond the 7-day forecast, long-range temperature trends look to get a little colder again, maybe more 20s in the forecast. And in fact, another chance of precipitation may come in next Friday, about a week from today. So not as much warmth in this forecast as we were seeing, say, earlier this week when we were looking at the 7-day forecast, but still a couple of decent days in there Monday and Tuesday. So there you go. There is your forecast for today. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski. Hope you all do have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. We'll see you all again bright and early on Monday morning. Take care and God bless. Bye.